Hello guys. Here we have a Dell. It's not charging. It's turning on, but it doesn't charge the battery. And one more thing, it doesn't turn on with a charger. Okay. Let me show you. This is a charger. Charger has been connected. We have a light. All right, it's turning on with a battery, but with a charger it doesn't turn on. I want to see what exactly is going on. Let's have a look. Let's see what is going on here. Let's connect the charger. Okay, I just press the power button and the machine is turning on. Aibu, the machine is turning on. Okay, this is funny. Let me remove the charger. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna connect the battery. Let's connect the keyboard and the mouse. Let's connect everything. Let's connect everything. Okay guys, I want you to observe this. The machine does turn on with a battery. See, the light is turning on and you'll see a display. See the backlight. See a Dell. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, the machine is off. So now let's connect the charger. Observe this, check this. Okay, the charging lights went off. I hope you can see charging lights went off. You know, I know what is going on here. It is a short on the B battery, on the battery side. That's what I believe in, that there is a short on the battery section. Near the battery section, that 19 volts right there, it's shorted to ground. Or otherwise, if it's not shorted to ground, the charging chip is faulty. Okay guys, here I have the motherboard, but before I continue, I want to show you something. Here there is no need for us to think about this. No, it's easy. We just have to use the common sense. Okay, we have to use the common sense. Some they call it brain off. Yeah, this is where you switch off your brain. You don't have to think about anything, but you have to deal with what you are currently seeing. Remove these components and the board will charge, and the charger will charge the laptop. Okay, it's RSJ V2Y. Okay, hold on, let me remove these components. Let me look for donor port. Alright guys, to make things much more easier, we have to look for a schematic. Hold on, let me check for a schematic for this motherboard. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead. Let's replace these components. What do you need? You need flaxi, it's a mess. Okay guys, I hope you can see this is extremely bad. So I will have to recreate those pads, but anyway, it's an easy job, it's not a tough thing, and I will do it. I don't have any choice. I will recreate those missing pads and make sure that there's a continuity all over that place. Anyway, let's try to charge this board. All right guys, anyway, here I didn't replace those components, I just removed them. According to a schematic, those components are for switching between the dock and normal use, but I will advise my client that this laptop will no longer work on a dock. It can work on a dock, but it won't charge on the dock, but normally it charges fine with a normal charger without a dock station. Anyway, you can see there the battery percentage, there's nothing wrong. Anyway, sharp